Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change out the batteries in your Steam controller. We need two AA batteries. If we turn it around, we have this little slide tab down here, so slide that to the right hand side and it will release this back bit here. And then we have two little buttons here that we need to push upwards and it will shove the batteries out. So push up on that one, you can see that's released the battery here, and up on this one, and that's released the battery here. So get the batteries, take them out. You might need to give it an extra helping hand to one side to get them to come out. And we need to put them in positive side down. So you can see positive here. So we're going to be putting it in that way there. And then when we go across, this button will fall down again. Like so. And then again, positive down there and across. And we need to put the tabs in the top there, locate them there and just click it in. And that's it. That is all back in now. And hopefully you will find that your controller is now working again. Thanks for watching.